Good afternoon everyone, and welcome to the May update and video from Moongate, Antigua. Excited to show you around, and multiple things going on at once, from great long lists of purchases and payments for all goods and interiors, generators, RO plants, all the back of house stuff, offices for the staff, back of house equipment, all on its way, and also massive construction going on here in the service area, reception area, and in the rooms, restaurant. We've been very fortunate at Moongate to find ourselves sitting on top of a very nice vein of naturally occurring limestone, and we're employing several masons who have been in the trade since they were young men, and they've learned their trade from their grandfathers and fathers who have worked this stone in this area since almost 80 years ago. We're standing in the first floor standard suite in block 4. I'm doing that to show you the excavation for number 1, or the western swimming pool, in the sunbathing terrace. A 70-foot long by 18-foot wide swimming pool, one of 2 of them in the guest area. Lots going on. I'm on the final sign-offs for the doors and windows, for technical specifications. So very quickly the units and the property is going to start to go from being a very evident construction site into being a closing out resort. So an exciting time. Look forward to seeing you in June.